If you bring your car in for service, very often they will see that the brake fluid is dark. It goes bad pretty quickly. There will be little hesitation to recommend a brake system flush, which could cost up to $100 or even $200 if they do the BG flush or whatever it's called. Do you really have to spend all this money? Well, keep watching. There's a workaround that you could try first. Before we start anything, make sure you cover the fender, any exposed paintwork. Brake fluid is caustic. I forgot the word, but it eats paint. Before we continue, just know that this is not the actual proper way to what they call flush the brake system. I have a different video on my channel showing a full system or a full brake flush on my Camry. Make sure you check that out. Here, we're just buying some time. The fluid's really dirty. This master brake cylinder contains the majority of brake fluid. All I'm gonna do is use this dollar store turkey baster, suck out the old fluid, but don't go below the minimum line. This is to minimize introduction of air into the system. If that happens, you will have to do a full bleed from each caliper, which I'm trying to avoid. I couldn't do this with one hand and record, but once you suck out enough brake fluid, open a brand new bottle of brake fluid, I'm gonna fill it up to the max line. Already you see that the color's a little bit lighter, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drive around the block, let things circulate by braking, and I'm gonna repeat the process 1 or 2 more times. Start the car, drive it around, check for any warning lights, check engine lights. If you don't see anything, you're good to go. All right, I filled, drained it several times, used the entire bottle. Anything that's left over, you gotta toss it. It's hygroscopic, absorbs water really quickly. But yes, it buys time. It's not a complete flush. Drive it around. If you have spongy brakes, or if you have spongy brakes, then yeah, this is not gonna do anything. You're gonna have to bleed all the air out of each caliper. But otherwise, if the brake system's fine, you can maybe wait a little bit longer before you save up for a full system flush. If you're going to a shop, there's no really easy way to tell if they're just doing what I'm doing or if they're actually removing the wheels and bleeding the way they're supposed to. So this is one of the benefits of doing it yourself at home. If this helps someone today, please give a like, and I'll see you all next time.